Unlock your creative potential with the powerful Nikon Z9, and let's get you shooting stunning images in minutes. First, power on your Z9 by flipping the on/off switch located near the shutter button. Navigate through shooting modes using the mode dial on top for beginners. Start with auto mode, represented by a green square, for automatic settings. Access quick settings by pressing the I button, often found to the left of the LCD screen. This brings up a customizable menu for frequently used adjustments. To review your photos, press the playback button, typically marked with a triangle symbol, and use the directional pad or touchscreen to scroll through your images. For more in-depth customization, press the menu button to access the camera's extensive settings. Don't be afraid to explore here. The Z9 features a responsive touchscreen. You can tap to focus on your subject, adjust settings directly on the screen, and even pinch to zoom for detailed image review. And of course, the viewfinder offers a clear and bright view of your scene. Adjust the diopter, the small dial near the viewfinder, to match your eyesight for sharp focus. Remember to always ensure your battery is fully charged and correctly inserted into the battery compartment at the bottom of the camera. And don't forget your memory card, inserted into the designated card slot, usually found behind a flap on the side of the camera, to start capturing your masterpieces. With these basic steps, you're ready to start your photographic journey with the Nikon Z9. Happy shooting!